Good morning, tubers. This is Ted with TP Tech. Today, I'm going to be making a mount for my charger here. I got a bunch of Bauer tools here, but no way to mount this charger. I tried before, but failed to get it to work. But I got an idea now that's going to make it work. Because see, it don't have no mounting brackets here. And on the inside of it, it had all the electronics that was in the way. So I have all of the electronics in the way here. But as you can see, I mounted that power strip, and I figured out if I took the power strip apart and found out where all the electrical parts at. And right here, let me get a closer look. You see them two holes at the top there and two at the bottom. I took it apart to find the electrical part of the thing so I wouldn't drill through that. And that's how I got that mounted. By doing that, it gave me the idea, oh, I can know how to mount my power strip. I got these mounted. Now all I need to do is mount the other one. So what I did was cut, took the screws out of the back of this right here. And what I did was unscrew all the screws out of the back of this, and that allowed this to come apart. So I know I can't drill in the electronic, so the only drilling spots I'm gonna have is where the screws come out, because that goes all the way through here. I'm gonna have to go through the poles and get all of those out. So let me get the drilling here and I'll show you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make a bolt to go right here that'll go all the way through here, therefore giving me a mounting point to mount it on the wall. So let's try that small bit here. Let me put this bit in this drill. I'm gonna do the top side, so I'm gonna go through where the holes, the screws was already in there. This bit ain't long enough. Let me see if I can get it to the end. See if that help a little bit. There we go. Now I got a pilot point. Okay. Let me open this back up and get the dirt out of it. So that way I missed all the electronics in it. The thing is fine. Didn't hit nowhere. So now I can put the bottom screws back in. That's what's going to hold it till I get it on the wall. There we go here. Okay, now my nail, or my screw rather, is going to go through there and come out here. But I need something at least 3 inches long. I don't think I got anything 3 inches long. Let me see. Take the phone out the way. Let's see this nail. I don't think it's long enough. Nope. I'm gonna have to find something at least 3 inches long to make this work. So let me get back with you. More damage. Had to turn it. Probably a better way anyway. See how it works.